Hello, everyone. Today is Friday, April 14th, 2023. Wanted to share with you a trade I made in gold early in the morning. So by 9 a.m., I was a little bit already done. But I wanted to review the market with you. You see that there was a nice move in gold today, and I just took a portion of it. Actually, nothing major, but I took advantage of this move to the downside in this area right here. So you have here the 30 minutes chart, and I'm gonna show you how I took that trade. Anyways, before I get started, let me remind you about the link that you could see in the description of this video. There is a promotion. I don't know, these guys got crazy. They are giving you 90% discount in Apex. So for actually around $20, you can get an evaluation account with them for I believe that, well, the $50,000 one, where you have $2,500 draw. So that means that if you lose $2,500, then the account is going to be either lost or you have to reset it. And there's $3,000 that you have to meet or get or the target for profit, so you can go ahead and get approved for a PA account. Okay, so let's review the trade I made today. Let me put this one in. Let me see. I'm gonna put it in whiteboard. Let me check. Probably white is not the best. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm gonna put it black instead. So, yeah. So, couple of things. One of the setups, it's a horizontal breakout or compression break. So basically, what you have is a horizontal line there as a resistance and also as a support. So basically, you see that the price made a or makes a bounce. Let's see, like this, and then started to move in this direction right here. Then at some point go to there, and then you get another bounce there. Right? This one could be like several moves. But then what happened is that you have in here, again, lower, higher lows or higher highs, and then you get the point here where in this point here and this point here you have a significant area support. So if this support is violated, then let's keep drawing this one like this. So it goes like that, and then makes an attempt here to go up and bounce again. And when you get the break, then you get the enter right here. Okay, so that one there would be the entry. You need at least two touches on this support level, or the same thing in the resistance, but you would need a couple of touch points right here. I'm gonna put this one in red actually. So this point here and that point there would be your double bottom, let's say, or support level. So when this one is violated right here, then is when you can take the trade right there and get it there. So with that, let's see what I saw today in gold. So you see here that you have higher highs and or higher lower highs and lower lows right here, right? So I was looking at this level here. I'm gonna go back. I like the yellow in this chart. So what you see here is that you get that point there, right there. That one is a lower low. So basically, what you have to do always is to look to the left, right? So see what's going on in the left portion of this area, and then you will see if you have a valid setup or not. So basically, if you see here, I was looking at the overnight session, and the first area of entry was this one here for me. I did not take it, but you have a valid entry right there. And I did not take it because it was kind of like a little bit too early for me to take a trade, but this one is really valid. So you have one touch there and another touch there. You do have a compression break, if you call compression this whole area right here. So you have, this area here, and then here is where you get the break. So that one is an entry. Then market gold started to go up within the range again, and then you have here a setup right there that I did not take either. Basically, I didn't like the setup. It was kind of like in the it was valid, but but it was also 8:36, kind of like going out of the 30 minutes or from 8:20 to 8:10. It's only 10 minutes, so I wanted to wait a little bit more to get more decision. Then you have this move all the way to the smooth 50. That one there is a good trade also, so you take that one there. The problem with this is that momentum went up right here, right? So it is above the moving average. I mean, above the zero line, which is this one is a zero line right there. So it was above. I didn't like it that much, but then it started to come back down. This one would have been a good entry actually. I prefer to wait until it crossed this one, and so if you look to the left, you see that there is from yesterday. You do have. Let's see. You do have this area here. Price was doing this and then came back down. Basically, what you do have is at this point a bottom and then another one right there, right? So you could have wait until this one moved below. I didn't. I just took it right below that, actually a 30-minute line, and I took it right there. So this one was a good trade. Again, it's a breakout of the consolidation or compression break. So right here is the compression area, right? Considering yesterday and today, and then it broke below that one. Normally, you take that you could have, or I could have wait until it moved below this one, but I didn't. And also, there was another area of support here that was a breaking. So it was kind of like an area. I took the trade actually one tick below the break. So right there, see, right there. It was 2041.6, and then it went all the way down to 2037.32. So that one is actually the trade that I took. It's $440 per contract, and then I have 9 contracts, so It's 36.60. And for a Friday, I think, I mean, I was completing my trading very early before 9 a.m. So 440 per contract, it was okay for me for a Friday. I didn't want to take that much other trades other than that. And you see, there is another break here. This one is a week out of the 20 or out of the 18 EMA, which is this red line here. Then you have another one right there. This one didn't meet the target, and this one did. So you do have here a good second entry as well. It moved pretty fast when once it broke this level here, moved all the way, and it jumped all the way to take my to take my target right there. Moved pretty nice, and then move up, and then it started to move down. I hesitated on this one, didn't take it, and then I moved without. Then rest of the day there was some good setups here. You do have that level there was broken also. There is another consolidation there on the compression. So you have a break there all the way down, and then you move up again, and then boom, break to the downside once more. I did not take it. This one is around, it was actually at that time, probably around 10:15. Still time to take trades. I just didn't want to take it. Fridays are not really a very it ended up that gold moved nicely to the downside today, but normally, I don't know, Fridays are weird, so I did not take the trade. Let's see. Yeah, that's the trade that I wanted to share with you. Again, it's $3,900. Not bad, and I hope you like the video. Remember to check out this guys. Don't take multiple accounts. Prove yourself that you can that you could pass one, and then you start increasing. I mean, the price is pretty simple. It's pretty cheap. But if you extend yourself and use multiple accounts, and I do that. I'm using 9 contracts, and probably I'm gonna extend it a little bit more. Put a couple of more to work now. But I proved that I can do it. So if you are not sure, try with one and then see what happens. All right. So thank you for watching today's video, and drop a like if you like the content of it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.